Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So there is a very big update for all the students who have appeared in the KCET 2024 examination and are waiting for the counseling process to start. So UGCET 2024 verification slip download link is active now. You can download your verification slip. So the link was active from before, like from yesterday, but from yesterday the link was not working, but now it is finally active and all of you can download your verification slip. In this video, I'll be telling you the detailed step-by-step process how you can download it and how can you check your verification slip. So first of all, you have to go to any browser and then type KEA. Then go to the first, that is page at KEA home. So click on this. Then you are directed to the official page of KEA. Here click on the admission sections, then go to UGCET 2024. Here you can see the first link, that is UGCET 2024 verification slip download link. So click on this. After you click on this link, you will be directed to a page where you have to enter your details like application number and the first 5 characters of your name, which is already there in their applicant, and then your date of birth, and then click on the captcha. So once you fill all these details, click on the download verification slip button. Once you click on this, your verification slip will be downloaded, so you can check all your details. And the most important thing that you have to check is your option entry CET number, option entry application number, and the secret key here. Okay, so these are very important for you. You have to log in using these credentials for your option entry, so please keep it confidential and check your verification slip and be ready for the option entry process.